What's up, tax savers? Let's continue breaking down some of these common forms that you get at tax time this week. And the one that I promised last time we'd break down is the W-2. Now, most of you are probably familiar with the W-2 and getting it, have received at least one in your lifetime, but I want to break it down on what it actually is and kind of the different boxes. So you've got 6 main boxes with your W-2. You have boxes 1, 3, and 5 are income. Boxes 2, 4, and 6 are taxes withheld. So odd numbers, in-go, even numbers, taxes out. And so box 1, wages, is the amount that's subject to ordinary income tax. Box 2 is the actual income tax that was withheld. Then box 3 and 5 typically are the same, but sometimes you'll see them different. Box 3 is Social Security wages. Box 5 is Medicare wages. And then you guessed it, box 4, 3 plus 1, is Social Security taxes withheld. Box 5 is Medicare taxes withheld. And why this matters? Number one is sometimes you might, if you have a 401k, box 1 is going to be different than 3 and 5 because 401k deductions are deductions to income tax, so it saves you income tax, but it doesn't save you on the amount subject to Social Security and Medicare. With the Social Security and Medicare, why it's important is if you change jobs throughout the year and you have a high income, so it's above the limits, you might end up having your new employer maybe didn't know what was previously withheld, so they withhold too much. You end up getting a Social Security tax refund because they withheld too much throughout the year. So all of those boxes matter on the W-2. Then there's a whole bunch of boxes down below that we won't get into because they're not the basics and you don't see them every time. But basically what you see most common in those other boxes is if you have health insurance paid for by your employer, a lot of state taxes or state disability you'll see there, but the key ones are those boxes 1 through 6 and how income taxes, Social Security, and Medicare are withheld. So that's the W-2, probably more than you ever thought to know about the W-2 in your lifetime, but hopefully you found that interesting, and if you did, I'd really appreciate you like it or you share, and we will see you next time.